Hello? Joanna V?
Yeah, who's this?
Yes, this is Jeffrey from Filipinos and Singapore.
Ipa.
May wish ka dito. Ang sabi mo, Dear Santa, first time ko po mag-wish sa inyo. Magbabaka sakali na baka makasatuparan nyo. I am a single mom of 2 sons. Wish ko po na mabigyan nyo ako ng 2-way ticket para maka-attend ako ng graduation ng anak ko. Ngayon darating na Abril. Okay? Congratulations. And in behalf of Philippine Airlines, we are providing you your 2-way ticket para maka-attend ka ng graduation ng anak mo.
Thank you so much, sir.
Merry Christmas sa'yo! Ano masasabi mo?
Hello, sir.
Yes?
Thank you, thank you. Hindi ka po inasahan. Parang maiiyak ako.
Okay lang, iyak mo yan.
Hindi ba? Na-excite ako na hindi ko po inasahan na darating yung ganitong
Well,
wish
sir,
come true.
yes, so ganito, kung kailan ka available, we can meet you sa Philippine Airlines office sa may Salegi Road.
So this is your certificate. You can have it issued at the ticket office. So, and this is valid for 3 months from date of issuance. So you can stay in the Philippines longer. Okay, so congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I hope that we made your dream come true and your Christmas wish come through Filipinos in Singapore. Congratulations also to Filipinos in Singapore for having thought of Philippine Airlines as part of your event or your project to make our kapwa Filipinos to be hopeful and joyful this Christmas season. Maligayang Pasko, Jeffrey. Thank you so
you. Merry
much.
Christmas, Ma'am Gemma.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Merry Christmas to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po sa PAL.
Yes.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you kay Sir Jeff.
Yes.
Thank you, Ma'am Gemma.
Buong pusong pag-alaga sa Philippine Airlines. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Yun. So, nakakatuwa to be able to provide yung mga wishes nila with the special help of our generous Santas. Okay? So, gawin natin to more. Okay? Marami pa tayong mga wishers na i-fulfill yung gift nila this Christmas. Okay? So, tawag pa tayo ulit.